Guys, we're playing Roblox.
Today we're playing some.
She's screaming. Don't scream, Dale. We're recording. So, guys, comment what do you want us to play. We're playing today Murder versus Sheriff duels. So watch us do this, okay?
I don't know.
Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe because we're new. I don't even know if we have a subscriber. But we have a lot of views. 75 views. We don't have. That's only our views. Because we're new. Leave the comment. Go to the comments and say what and subscribe and like and say to and comment what you want to play with what you want to play with us. Hey guys, we're using this because I like that one. And it's super laggy because this is my brother's phone. And she have a lot of playing things. So we have 3 rounds, okay? Okay, Ben?
Okay, brownies. Sige, black.
Oh my god, how do you have this already?
I don't
No, guys, no! I hate this. I always got killed because it's so laggy. I hate lag. Oh, but we still won. Thank you, girl. Thank you, woman. Woman. No! Fishy? I actually know the Fishy Vlogs. Fishy Vlogs YouTuber. Go watch his channel. Link in the description. Come on, girl. You can do this. Okay, what power are you using? I cannot click. Never mind. Okay, you're using that most common one. Oh, that's very close. I just want to lose. Because this girl is so...
Slide in this world. Wait.
If you want us to play Bed Wars below. We're gonna do videos every day, right, Ben? Right?
Yes. Ako na stop.
So my brother doesn't want 3 rounds. 2 rounds, okay? Only 2 rounds. Because my brother is so annoying. And make sure to add me, guys. My name in Roblox is James Dane 2015.
My name's that's
This is my friend. This is my what is it called? This is my brother's account, so add him too. His name is Just Call Me Among Us. Sassy.
so sus. and subscribe and learn this thing. Hiya.
That's 2 and 1.
Here's one the.
Guys, we're going in another direction. And I got killed again. I'm not very pro at this game. I'm really pro at blade bow and what is it called again? Bed. I have 4 kids in there. Oh. No! We're losing to noobs. We're gonna lose this round. I finally killed someone. And I hate them. Oh yes! I killed them! Thank you.
And subscribe and please.
No! We're gonna lose! It's okay, guys. We can have a rematch.
Wala na ikaw. Paano mo ako yan?
Raven, speak English. No one is gonna understand you.
Paano mo?
Don't speak like that. Speak English. Now this round, don't talk, Ben. Now this round is 4, and my brother is gonna play now.
What?
We love Lodge.
Lads, I want to learn this.
There's so many places you can go.
No.
You can go at the back. We call it a secret base. Let's go, guys. Oh no! Let me have it then. Oh yes! What? No! My turn. Guys.
Punta ka sa secret
You're
bunker.
going.
Punta ka sa secret bunker.
No!
In there.
No, 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 no.
No.
No!
I'm still alone, but I'm one missing.
Even if we lose, this is still fine. My brother has a lot of wins.
Not a win. I love anything. I'm a star and I'm all in the brother.
So guys, I also play Blox Fruit. My fruit in Blox Fruit is light, and I'm only in the first seed because I'm not very fan of that. But I just play a lot then. In Blox Fruit. You're very good then.
I know it. And one more.
So you can hear us playing sound. My brother is watching. We are 3 brothers, so don't mind him. Pinita yung people. Okay, you actually won again. What? I said again, not again. Oh. It's your power. No, we're gonna lose. No! What? How did we lose? My teammate's still there.
Mama sabi,
Guys, guys.
sabi ko na,
YouTuber ka? Don't bend! Don't talk like Philippines. But guys, we're actually from Philippines. So we lose.
ayoko na.
So my brother don't want anymore. So bye guys. See you again. Make sure to subscribe.
Bye-bye! Bye!